Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie with CNN. Y'all already know, Candle News Network. So today's video for the morning, I am going to go over the sales that's going on right now and some new cool stuff that are being found in stores, and also update you guys on the 3-week situation. So today they're having an in-store only sale. Yes, guys, this is in-stores only, so you cannot go online to get these candles, but the single wick candles is $6.50 and the limit on the single wick candles is 20. I don't think this is a good sale. I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, we just had $5.95 one wicks a couple weeks ago. Plus, with this sale, you have to use a barcode. Boo. You know how it is when you got to use a barcode. That means you can't use any additional coupons. So, yeah, that ain't going to work for me. I can't do a sale where I had to use the barcode, no additional coupons, especially at the rate of $6.50. Plus, I have enough single wicks, and I picked a lot of them up during the $5.95 sale. But if you must get some single wicks, here are some of my recommendations. Of course, the one that they showed in the picture, the sugar snickerdoodle, is a top fave of mine. I love the packaging on that one. Also, like the marshmallow fireside's a good one. The crushed candy cane in the white packaging was absolutely beautiful. So if your store still has that, get that. Spiced gingerbread, again, absolutely beautiful. In this packaging as well, they had Tree Farm, so definitely check that out. I mean, a lot of the holiday ones were really good. And the one with candles, always say they're good for small spaces, especially bathrooms, because the wallflower plugs is good and all, but having the candle going in the bathroom just gives it that extra touch. And I also would recommend eucalyptus mint for the bathroom. Definitely nice odor eliminator scent. Also like limoncello. That's another one that helps with odor eliminating. And that's even nice just to put in your kitchen and just have it going in the kitchen area, especially after you cook something that has a strong odor. It would be nice just to get that going depending on the size of your kitchen. Mahogany teakwood high intensity, one of my faves. I hate this packaging. I went off on this packaging. I do not like the packaging of this one, but I love me some mahogany teakwood high intensity, so I would recommend that. And another one I would recommend is peppermint marshmallow. We never got peppermint marshmallow in the 3-wick, and I really think it is because we got that the sugar cookie one, the peppermint sugar cookie or whatever it's called, which is my top fave of winter 2020. So I think that's why peppermint marshmallow probably never came to the 3-wick. Now, another one I would recommend from the aromatherapy side would be this one right here. And the reason for it smells amazing. Like, I've burnt one, and let me tell you, you'll get your life and you'll get your mood. It's nice to put in the bedroom. Sun-drenched linen is a new one that they have online, so hopefully it is in stores. I'm thinking about visiting in stores today just to show you the one wicks they have. I don't know yet because I have so many other videos I have to bring you guys, so I don't know. Now, they do have some new 3-wicks online. Well, not new, but, you know, some of the older ones are starting to resurface, like the mahogany teakwood, the pumpkin pecan waffles, fresh balsam, things like that. They're now on the site, but for $24.50. No, ma'am. Now, let's update you on the body care day. Body care day, they have switched it. So it's not going to be Friday and Saturday. It's only going to be Saturday. I guess they learned their lesson from Candle Day that, hey, we can't run out of all our inventory. I was joking with one of the managers, and I was like, imagine coming into Bath and Body Works and there's no body care. Only thing left in there is going to be Miss JCB. Yeah, no, I had to throw that shade. I even throw that shade in store. Okay, I just do. So yeah, it's been condensed. It's only going to be one day. No coupon required. Is it going to be online? We think so, but not sure. So once more information is given on that, I definitely will update you guys on that. One thing that Tinybubblesfloating found was the lemon drop martini and the body cream. I was never able to find it in the body cream. So if that's at body care day, I'm definitely going to pick it up. And may I add, Tinybubblesfloating is from Buffalo, just like me. And our Bills is killing it this year. So whoop, whoop, go Buffalo, go Buffalo, go Buffalo. I had to just throw that in there, okay? Another thing she found was the Palo Santo candle and the Luminaire packaging. I smelt it. It's not that bad. It's not my fave, but it's all right. I might want to get one of those. We'll see. And my sis, Sexsagluvsongz, found some amazing things. There are going to be new soaps out. The new soaps are already hitting for spring 2021. I cannot believe they're already starting to come out. I don't know if I'm liking this or if I'm not liking this. I'm kind of liking it because I've been doing winter scents for so long. But at the same time, I'm like, okay, I want to enjoy the rest of 2020, even though it's coming to an end. I want to enjoy it. But, it's cool to see that some of the 2021 is starting to roll in. And I'm telling you, some of these soaps I definitely need in my life. And they're really cute. They don't look, I don't think, a lot like last year's. But that orange one, I really need to get in my life, like, period. That needs to come home with me. And I think the Paradise Coconut is really cute as well. Pretty Magical Things found a new pocket bag because we cannot get enough pocket bags, right? So this is Rainbow Passion Fruit. I'm excited for it. I love the packaging on it with the rainbow, and it says all the feels. So y'all know I'm about to be on the hunt for this little thing. Man, I tell y'all keep me on the hunt on IG, and all these channels I will link below. So check out these girls' IGs. They work really hard for us. Another one is Lavender Marshmallow and Pink Petal Tea Cake, y'all. This was posted by Tess, Life Inside the Page Daily Finds. Yes, our girl is back. Yes, she's back. She's posting. She's letting us comment again. Welcome back, Tess. And when Tess comes, she comes with the heavy hitters, okay? I cannot believe Pink Petal Tea Cake is coming back. So seeing it in the soap, does that mean our candle's coming back? I hope so. Me and Richie was just talking about this, and I saw that he told me that he's going to get 20 of them. So we're going to do a broadcast. We think we're going to do some type of live or something, try to link up and do a live or something. I think that would be really cool to talk about Pink Petal Tea Cake. Richie, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have to be a Friday, though, because, I got my kids during the week, and that ain't going to work. It got to be when I got some time, you know what I mean? So it would have to be a Friday, but I think that would be real cool to talk about Pink Petal Tea Cake because that is definitely one of our faves. Another one I'm still in the hunt for, seeing if I can find in stores, that pink watermelon. And I do want to smell the fresh orange. I want to know what that fresh orange is hitting on because I love the packaging on it. But overall, pink watermelon needs to come home with me because, oh my God, in my head, I think it's just this nice, juicy, mouth-watering scent. That's what I'm getting from the name and the packaging. But sometimes Bath and Body Works likes to disappoint. So we'll see. And y'all was saying y'all wanted to see my mom. If y'all check out my vlog channel, yeah, she's on there. And we went to Bath and Body Works yesterday. So definitely go check out my latest vlog. I'll leave the link to the vlog below. That way you can check out me and Mom Dukes doing some damage at the outlet mall because it is there. And, definitely subscribe to the vlog channel if you would like because I do post on there. So I love you guys. Good morning and have a great day. Bye.